Okay, everyone, welcome to this assignment video review. So make sure that you have paper and pencil in order for you to copy down everything that I am going to copy down, right? In order for you to get points for this assignment. So this assignment is called Solve the System of Three Equations Part 1. And we're going to solve each system by elimination, right? So the first thing that we're going to do, as we always do, is we're going to highlight each one of these, each one of these a different color. So we'll go with yellow, we'll go with orange, and we'll go with red here, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick two equations here. So I'm going to go with yellow and orange first. Negative 4x plus 2y minus 10z is equal to negative 32. That's yellow. And now orange is 4x minus 2y plus 9z is equal to 33. Now what's great about this is, look, boom, those cancel out. And in this case, look, this also cancels out. Negative 4x and positive 4x. So negative 10z and positive 9z is negative 1z. Negative 32 and 33 is a positive 1, but I got to divide by negative 1 here, and I get z is equal to negative 1. That's my first variable solved. So I picked yellow and orange because the twos cancel. Now I'm going to pick yellow and red. So step 2 is negative 4x plus 2y minus 10z is equal to negative 32. And red is 5x minus 2y plus 10z is equal to 40. Look at that. My y's cancel, but my z's cancel also. So negative 4x and positive 5x is 1x. Negative 32 and 40 is positive 8. The opposite of multiplying by 1 is dividing by 1. So I get x is equal to 8. And look at that. I have x and z. So that means that I'm going to pick one of my original colors here. And I'm going to plug in x and z. And I'm going to go with orange. So I'm going to take orange. And I'm going to say 4. But instead of x, I'm going to say 8. Because I have x. X is 8. Minus 2y plus 9z, but I already have z. Z is negative 1, is equal to 33. Right? And I made this too big, so let me make this smaller here so I can make it fit. All right. So 4 times 8 is 32. 9 times negative 1 is negative 9. 32 and negative 9 is 23, right? Well, I'm immediately going to bring this 23 over as negative 23. So I get negative 2y. 33 minus 23 is 10. And the opposite of multiplying by negative 2 is dividing by negative 2. So I'm going to get y is equal to 10 divided by negative 2 is negative 5. Look at that. So I have my x, y, and z. So my x is 8, my y is negative 5, and my z is negative 1. And that right there is my final solution for number 1. All right. That's my number 1. So let's do the second one now, right? First thing what I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to cover this here so it's not in the way. All right. Next, I'm going to, again, highlight my 3 different equations here, right? We'll go with lime green, and we go with regular green, and we're going to go with purple, like that. So let me pick 2 equations. So I know my z's are going to cancel here, because look, right? 2 a negative, 1 a positive. So I'm going to pick 1 negative, 1 positive. I'm going to go with lime green. So I'm going to go with lime green. Negative 2x minus 2y minus 10z is equal to negative 50. And I'm going to go with regular green, which is negative 10x plus 7y plus 10z is equal to 23. Now in this case, only z's cancel out. So negative 2x and negative 10x is negative 12x. Negative 2y and positive 7y is a positive 5y. Negative 50 and 23 is negative 27, right? And I'm gonna do this one in pink here. All right. Step 2 is I'm going to pick another 2 problems that eliminate. So I went yellow and regular green. I mean lime and yellow and regular green. I'm going to go lime. No, I'm going to go regular green and purple. So regular green and purple gives me negative 10x plus 7y plus 10z is equal to 23. And then purple, negative 9x plus 9y minus 10z is equal to 7. And again, look at that. That's exactly what I wanted. So negative 10x and negative 9x is negative 19x. 7y plus 9y is 16y. 23 plus 7 is 30. Okay? And we have those two. So step 3 is we take our 2 pinks and we're going to write our 2 pinks on top of each other here. So we have negative 12x plus 5y is equal to negative 27. And we have negative 19x plus 16y is equal to 30. Well, in this case here, nothing matches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a button on this one because we have not covered this one yet for this assignment. So we're going to come back and I'm going to teach you how to do something like this a little later, right? So for now, make sure you've copied everything down in order for you to get credit for this assignment. All right. Thank you guys for being here.